I was just showing the clinic the importance of making sure that you lube your instruments and clean off the rust. And these are some instruments that we have laid out for our clinic. Some of the clippers were very squeaky while we were squeezing them. And these are our curettes and burrs. Once you lay them out, you clean them all up, you spray them down all on the surfaces that move, all of your moving parts. And then you package them to autoclave them so they can sterilize them. This does not replace sterilization. But you take apart your clippers and then you'll be able to lubricate all the pieces and parts. And then this part right here, it's a powder form. Let me show you. It's a powder form that you take a little damp water, and then before you take them and you can clean out all the rust, polish it all up, and then put them in water, clean them all up, and then you spray them down with the lubrication. Let them dry, autoclave, bada bing, bada boom.